Damn, where the fuck is everyone? We need some more viewers before we start singing, you know what I'm saying? Let me change this title around. Let the boys know. Yeah, it's weird. We got about an hour if my internet's able to make it, and then I have a meeting in an hour, and so we'll see. It shouldn't be a long stream. Yeah, this is weird, man. I'm getting rug pulled. We're getting rug pulled by YouTube. Boy, would you look at that spider line. Came fucking just right down to it. Thought about taking profit, but it's just too good, man. It's too, oh man. Is there no lines in between here? How big would this drop be? Ooh. Let me put in, okay, let me change this. Are we literally only at 400 viewers right now? That's weird. Man, that yellow X. Let's see here. Yeah, man, when fucking the stream goes down 20 times and then I have 20 different videos up, like it I don't know, it does something. Maybe people are just like, "Oh, that's not a real video." Look at this. Look what it looks like on the weekly. Look at this guy. Man. I was watching the Karate Combat a couple months ago. Is that where like they do the Mortal Kombat thing with real karate dudes? Yeah, man. Listen, there's gonna be bounces, bro. It's gonna go up and down, but dude, shit might be hitting the fan here, folks. I need to get rid of all of this. but maybe not. We need to frame this. And damn, Solano bouncing back a little bit. Came right down to that. Man, it went past. Did we not break structure? Did we break structure? Oh, we did. We did. How much? Let's go to the hourly. 20 minutes, 29.65. She's got to close under that. Let's see when the lowest. Let's go to the absolute lowest. Technically, there's this one. It's even under that. So what is that? 29, 29. Yeah, I did not rug pull today. Ooh, baby, let's go, babies, let's go. I added to my ETH position, so my entry's lower, about $100. My entry's now $100 lower at 315, 31.15. Yeah, Solano down to, dude, I was looking, just looking. It's a free ride down to 75. I'm gonna see if I can get a special guest on. Goodbye, hodlers. We're shitting all over you. She's bouncing. She's got a little bounce.
Fuck this song. Fuck that song. We're crawling back in the hole.
Look at that. By golly. By natural, totally natural to have a little bounce off a spider line. I was thinking this thing might we need to go to the weekly. We need to go to the weekly here, folks. We need to go to the weekly. And first, let's see here. First, okay. We need to, this is going to be a future mug. Let's clean this up a little bit. No. Oh, that's the, oh, no. Okay, so I saved the, man, I don't want to delete this. Make a copy. Okay. Oh, okay. Why do people say CP? Okay, so this is purple and orange. Ooh. Yeah, I mean there's not. It's do with that. Maybe we could draw one. I don't like drawing spider lines that run in to other ones, but we could maybe, let's see if we sneak this in here. Let's see if we're gonna try to cheat here. We're kind of cheating, but let's see where this ends up here. Oh, CryptoPunk. Is that what it stands for? I'd like to hear it from them. I mean, that puts a line there, but I feel like, again, I feel like it's cheating, because I'm breaking through another candle. But who's to say? Who is to say? That's what you guys say, but I mean, you know, they're trend lines. I tell you what, you go to a chart and just draw random lines everywhere, real random lines. You can't be connecting shit. Just draw random ass lines, and if you can be successful, great. This just so happens to have made me millions of dollars, multi millions for our whole community. 10 grand to spend a day with me. Ha ha!
You gotta get that price up, bro. You gotta get that price up.
I mean, look at that. I mean, you know. Man, just whammy. Look at that. The next one is steep. You're talking steep. Let's look at the grander scheme of things. That's a steep one. That is a steep one. That was in between here and here. Ooh, man. Literally every line is killer. Respect the spider line, boy. Do I continue to stream during the bear market? Been doing it for 4 years. It's definitely get a little more it's not as fun during a bear market because I have to deal with a lot more people like messaging my family, death threats, and fucking weirdos. I mean, even in this like sideways action, I had a couple bad ones. Um, Should have sold at 40.2. Listen, bro. I thought about taking. I was up 500,000, but then I have to start all over again. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's easy to say, but you know, then you got to start all over again. What happens if? What happened? I mean, what would you be saying if I shorted? If I wasn't in that long, if I didn't take that 100K loss, and I shorted earlier? Whoo! You know how many people would have been said, take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit? You know. I'm not at 500K now. Now it's at 350. The price is gonna go up and down, but there's a lot more potential here. Yeah, hindsight trading is easy. Why didn't you sell at the top? Why didn't you buy at the bottom? You know? Ooh. Ooh. Let's go to the hourly. Ooh. Ooh, boy. How about the market cipher yellow fucking X's? The first two are the strongest. There was your first one. Whammy. Here's your second one. Whammy. Yes, I wouldn't be surprised if now we dance in here for a little bit, and then, man, the next one, oh, man, you're talking about a big one. You're talking about a big one. Wish I was in a Bitcoin short. But it's all good. Solano and ETH are gonna give me justice. How much is Market Cipher? Same price. 2 options. Go to marketciphertrading.com. See for yourself. On Bitcoin or Ethereum? Man, the DBSI on the 4-hour. Do I drink while I trade? Sometimes we'll have a night whiskey and trading stream fun sometimes, but I don't drink that often, but sometimes we've had our little, there's plenty, I'm sure there's plenty of people in the chat who have had the grace of being in an old CF bourbon late night trading stream. I used to trade OMG way back in the day with my little bot, my early bot days. I wouldn't touch this. This is not some shit I would touch. It's wow, look at that. This thing's really climbed. 200% in 77 days. OMG, man. Isn't this Chinese? yeah, this is something I would stay away from, just because yeah. How about them spider lines, folks? If you're just joining us, perfect. Perfect. My preferable bourbon mainstream is Maker's Mark, but one of you guys sent me a bunch of whiskey from one of your distilleries, and I'll be sipping on that. It's strong shit, though. I mean, one little glass, and I hold my liquor pretty well. I've been drinking bourbon and whiskeys for a long time. But man, you get some small batch barrel shit, dude. You just take a few sips, and you're already feeling it. Ripple, let's take a look. Man, she's really fallen. 40%. How much is Bitcoin falling? What's up, buddy? Give me your toy. Give me your toy. Go get it. Give me this toy. Give me your toy. Give me that toy. This is my toy. Give me that toy. Go get it. Alrighty, what were we looking at? Solano. What a fight. Man, this thing really wiggles. Bear market since May. Ya bet your ass, chatalete. Let me turn the light on. My little boy. Give me this toy. It's so depressing when you put money in and it goes down. Ain't that the truth? Where's that little Ryan Coffee kid in the chat talking shit like, oh, he stopped streaming because he knows it's gonna go up? I don't see that little bitch. Where you at, bitch? I know you in the chat. Show yourself. Show yourself. Any books? JT, you gotta be strong-minded on your own, bro. No book is gonna tell you anything, teach you anything. I haven't read any crypto book. I've brazed a few, and it's all bullshit.
Blockchain is good. Blockchain is the future.
It's like space. When I was a kid, space.
Storm chasing video, right on, brother. Man, I think 20K is if we don't go to 13, we just hit 20. I'm considering myself still right. And the three amigos will have played out. $20K. 20K is up here. 18, 19. So technically it's still on a Amigo. It is on Javier. It says Javier otra vez Rodriguez. Excuse me, Javier otra vez Rodriguez. The fourth Rodriguez Jr. is a hidden Amigo. Yeah, where's those counter traders, huh? I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you. They here. They watching. They watching. Back to 400,000 profit. They here. Another blood diamond. Where? I'm loving this 2 hour, man. Man, this 2 hour, if she can push through, man. Let's see here. We are right at this little. I mean, this is the last hope right here. This is the last of the last of the Mohicans right here. This 2900, 2880. Wow, look how long it's been since we've had a yellow X on the 2 hour with Ethereum. It's on the current candle, right? Is that a 28? Okay, it's a 20. Oh man, if that was a 28, holy shit, that would be short the farm. Let's see, what was I saying? Last time there was a yellow X beginning, the first one was July, and the price eventually went down after about 10, 11 days, 20%. Before that, price came down 35%. If we say this time 35 to 20, we'll call it 15. 24.55, 24.55, and it would be sitting right on top of here. And then it might dance. And then shit'll hit the fan again, maybe. What's the name of the Space song? The name is Space by Lord Sideboard. He's the one who makes this music. How's the hex? Let's take a look. What time is it? Okay. We got about 30 minutes left on the stream, then I gotta bounce. Oh, shit. Okay, perfect. Yo. Oh, whoops. Yo. Your thing ain't activating. You probably have to change your inputs. Under settings, voice video. Why do I live stream only if I'm in profit? Did you look at the stream yesterday, you dumb fuck? I literally started this stream 100,000 in the loss. I should have asked you to bet me. What up, bro?
Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Oh, okay, now it's working. Okay, let me mute the live stream itself.
Yeah.
Okay, now it's good. Now I got the thing. Wait, am I live on the thing?
Yeah, you're live.
Okay. Yeah, so
What's up, bro?
Not too much. Was just at the gym, just trying to, take a break from it all, and then I get all these freaking notifications that the price is dropping below 42K, and I'm like, I got a short.
Yeah. Evan Aldo, folks, by the way, if you don't recognize his voice, man, dude. First off, congratulations, bro. I got about 30 minutes, 25, 30 minutes, and then stream's over because I have a meeting. And, dude, I just want to say, clap for you, man. Like, I've been peeping, like, all your, video. I haven't been watching every video, but at least peeping, like, the titles and shit and watching a good amount of them. And, dude, you've been fucking on point. More than I must say, in the last 2-3 weeks, bro. So way to go, dude.
Yeah, thanks so much, man. I mean, it's the more you study this and the more you just understand market cipher and just the more you're glued to that screen, honestly, like, it's to the point where sometimes it hurts you more than it helps you, but the more you really learn it, it does get more natural.
Yeah, I'd have to like last night, I was streaming in the short, and like I knew that it was gonna come up a little bit, but I fucking rug pulled the stream. I literally was like, yeah, yada, and fucking pulled the stream because streaming and trading is hard when you have all these people yelling at you, and like I'm forced to stare at the chart. I'm not like going out and doing my own thing. So went to bed last night, put my stops in, and woke up and yippee-yi-yo-ki-yay. So, man.
Yeah, I mean, I was smoking the hopium a little bit. I was just thinking, like, oh man, this blood diamond on the 2-day, maybe it won't confirm, maybe it'll go away. Oh, it appeared on the weekend. Oh, maybe we'll get one more. Just any last like weird subconscious thing for some hope. But no.
I'm gonna share my screen with you on Discord.
Oh, okay.
Just so like you can actually see what I'm looking at.
Oh,
Ooh, yeah, man. On the Hikins, we got a 24. Look at that blood diamond. Golly, baby, man. I'm telling you, I get most excited with market cipher when when it's calling shorts, bro. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm converted. I'm converted officially. But let's see. Let's look at normal candles. Normal candles, we still got an 18 against the -5. You really want to watch the opposite number, you know, to like get a good. I mean, you want to watch both numbers, but the lower number's really good too. So if it starts going -3, -1, you know that, you know, to look for maybe a little potential reversal. But that's on higher time frames, like the DBSI, like on higher time frames. You know, you want to pay attention, especially into the candle it's in right now. You know what I mean? And so, but dude, yeah, the lower time frames, DBSI murder.
Yeah, I mean DBSI, I gotta study that some more. I just started looking at it a little bit. Could the numbers, could they change? They could change before the candle closes,
Yes.
right? Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
So it's just like anything else, yeah. That's a newer development, right? Yeah.
I've had it for a long time, just a more like in-depth, it's what I use on my bot, and basically I have 4 main versions of the DBSI for my bot, and I just like clipped it and dumbed it down and slapped it on Market Cipher basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what are your, I mean, I'm thinking, what's the next level of big support for,
Jeez, let me see here. Let's take a look. See here. It's a big drop, bro. It's like a 15%er here. So we're chilling at this one, man. We came right down the spiral line perfectly, and there ain't nothing in between. I tried fudging around with a couple other lines, but we got a whopper coming in here soon. This one was a 5%er, I'm pretty sure. This was yep, nice 5%er. The next one's a whopper, bro. The next one, we're going to Burger King.
Yeah, no, there's not much. Yeah, it's almost like you just want it. Well, I mean, September is normally a really bad month for crypto anyway. I mean, let's say we go down until October 1st, and then the bulls will probably be back in October, November, December. That's our last hope for hitting 100K towards the end of the year.
Yeah, let's see here, man. It would okay. Let's go to the daily here.
I mean, the way I always would map it out was on the weekly, I think.
On the weekly.
But it's looking worse there now. Like I was mapping it out.
Oh yeah, that's looking like, unless this is a continuation wave. Like if this turns quickly, this VWAP turns. But I mean, look at that curvature on that VWAP. You don't see that curvature that often, man. And like, look at the RSIs, dude. Like these RSIs rarely fucking come down from a top and then just burp. You know what I'm saying? At least on this time frame, like.
Yeah. You're right. Yeah. I've been. I was getting some hope there. I was hoping we'd come up, and if you map it out, it like lengthens out perfectly with like the old traditional cycles, like end of December, beginning of January.
Like if this drops down, and we really got to stretch this. Damn, dude, we don't got much time, bro. We don't got time. We're running out of time, bro. I mean, we're running out of time. It's right. Let me put a marker on this here.
I mean, with the 2-day, the blood diamond. I mean, that if something's gonna bring us down to like 20K, it's probably that.
Yeah, I could see. So if we need to hit 100,000, that means these candles have to like whammy and go all the way up here.
I mean, what's the lowest we could go, you think, and still hit 100,000? I'd say probably 30K, maybe.
Man, I don't think 100,000 is gonna happen, dude. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't think 100K by December is gonna happen. I have a bet with BitBoy on it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But who knows, dude?
I mean, what about 100,000 by May? Let's say those people, the people who think it could go longer up until 2022. What are your views on that theory?
May.
Those super cycle people. I mean, if shit hits the ceiling with inflation, anything could happen, obviously.
How long did this take here? How long did this run take? This took 203 days. So if we, so that would be April. So 200 days from today is April, which means that, you know, we got, this thing would have to maybe start picking up soon. You know, this went up, well, that's 500%, so we wouldn't have to go up percentage-wise that much. On the log, God, the log chart is so much nicer, man. But you take that shit off, it's a demon.
Yeah, the spider lines without the log, what's weird is I caught the top at, what was it, 51 something the other week without the log. So I have one chart with the log and then one without. I play with both of them.
Yeah, I had 4, but like I just lost them in the TradingView save system. But yeah, with log, without the log, with Hykens, without Hykens, like they all hit marks, like good marks. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah. I mean, I pretty much always use the Hykens now. I just like I feel like it's more accurate, the way it, like with the dots and everything, the way it portrays in the Hykens.
20K, no way. Institutions aren't selling, bro. What are you talking about? Institutions? It ain't the institutions, bro. It's the Chinese. And you're right, the Chinese ain't selling yet. But when they do, it's Armageddon, bro. I don't know what these people talk about institutions. Every single stock. What happens in every single stock market crash? The institutions are all. What happened to America Online? It was AOL Time Warner not an institution. They got shit on. So the institution thing that don't carry weight, bro. Yeah, I don't know how people can rule out 20,000. Like they're living in fucking la la land, man. You're full on hopium, like gripping on to your Bitcoin, mad, man. If you think 20K ain't possible, you're fucking mad. Go ahead.
20K is definitely possible. I don't know if it would be tough to go under 20K without a black swan event. I feel like
I agree. I know
it would be tough. I mean, I just don't. I feel like because I know like my dad and people in their freaking 60s. If it goes to 20K, they're gonna be buying it.
That's easy to say when it was hard to buy Bitcoin at 3,000, dude. Because if it goes to 2, you're already down 30%. You know, like man, it's and I'm guilty. You know what I'm saying? It's like, oh yeah, I'll be buying at fucking 3,000, then bam, it gets there. You're like, well, shit. You know?
Yeah, it'd be interesting to see. I mean, I don't. What do you think in terms of S&P 500? I mean, I could see that going down to 4,000.
Let's pull that up, dude. Let's pull that up. Now that we're
I think this might be the time. If you look at the monthly, it looks bad on the month. I think did we just confirm a red dot in the monthly? I was looking at the other. We're going to.
We got 9 days.
Yeah.
How does this look compared to everything else? Even this is more curved than everything else. Look at this momentum wave. Overall, it's just more curved and like. Yeah. Like I mean, I'm picking thin there. I'm being picky, but just trying to see. I mean, yeah, dude. Like, here, let's. Just like I think VWAP slowly coming down. You know, what were you saying?
No, I was thinking 4. I mean, the big fib level is on this one. It would be.
Do you want to share your screen or something? You don't have to.
If you want. I mean, how do I do it on Discord?
Well, let me stop mine.
Let me get it up real quick.
Yeah, and then when you're ready, I can.
Give me 1 second here.
Yeah, take your time. Take your time here. Take your time.
So why not?
Let's see here. Dang, time is flying, folks, when you're having a good time. I got about 15 minutes, 15, 20 minutes max, and I got to bounce, folks, and the stream's over. I have an Aldo on the channel. I like this guy. He's a good dude. He's a smart guy. He's good at what he does. And he has good little head on his shoulders.
Hey, man, have you ever read the book Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas?
No, I've only read one book in my life, which is If You Give a Mouse a Cookie and If You Give a Moose a Muffin. What's it called?
I'm almost ready with this. Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas. It's no charts, no bullshit, like nothing. It's just all psychology about trading. Like literally just all psychology.
Trading in the Zone
by Mark Douglas.
Okay. Is it on Amazon? It is.
Yeah, it's on everything.
Okay.
I listened to the audiobook twice. It's interesting in the sense that like it goes into like the mindset of a winning trader, just the calmness and like no nervousness, not emotional.
Okay. Yeah, that's for sure. For sure.
That's the only book I've ever read on trading. Let me get.
I've chucked out a lot of books. Like every time I go to Barnes and Noble, I'd look and they're just fucking garbage, dude. They're fucking garbage.
Yeah, pretty much. All right. All right, I got my screen up. Let me share it
All right,
right
let's
now.
see here. Okay.
I'm gonna share it, and then I gotta open my damn system preferences. Oh wait, yeah, it shouldn't take too long. Discord will not be able to record the contents of your screen until it was quit. Stupid Mac. Yeah, screw it. Because I'm gonna have to. You're gonna have to call me back.
All right, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Really? You can't share your screen on the Mac?
I have to like do the freaking settings and close out Discord, and then I could call you right back, or call me right back in literally 2 seconds.
All right, let's do that.
Okay.
Yo,
What's up?
how's it going, bro? How's it going?
Good. All right, let me. Okay, I got the thing shared. Okay, resolution, frame rate, go live.
Okay.
All right, you see it?
I do. Let me make it so everyone can see. And it's what the fuck? This. Okay, hang on. Okay. All right, you are live.
Yeah. So I mean, as you can see here on the S&P 500, if we draw out our fib level right there, I meant nothing goes up forever, guys. Up to this point, we are. Oh wait, that's 10 years. Never mind. Meant to show you on the weekly.
This is the past 300 years. Nothing goes up forever.
100% since the dump, and then we're finally looks like we're going down. I mean, the main like sentiment I see of people is everyone thinks it's going to come back up. Like if you say anything to these meme stock people, they think everything's going to the moon. They dislike any video that says the meme stocks are going down or anything's going down. I mean, the meme stock people.
Can you go to the daily or the 2-day on that one? Okay, and then like squish her a little bit, and then like expand the top side of the chart upwards. And I want to focus on since that last little dump. Yeah. Let's
like this.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Let's. You can get rid of Market Cipher B actually down there.
Yeah.
And then like if you draw a trend line, now I'm stealing this from Gareth, from InTheMoneyStocks.com. Gareth, which I think he's a god. Do you know who he is? I was on around the blockchain with him. All right. Draw a trend line from like the very bottom, of the dump to like pretty much draw a trend line. Not to that one. No. It's on like the standard everything before up to fucking yeah. You see how it's like just getting thinner and weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker, and this kind of like just broke. This kind of just like broke it, and just it's getting there's less gap in between. It's getting tighter and tighter and tighter, man.
Yeah.
Check on my shit here, okay.
Oh my god, it's pumping. Fuck. Oh. Just kidding.
What's Bitcoin at?
Well, let's take a look. See here.
Better be below 42K.
Let's take a look. See here.
Already locked in profits. It's not a big deal.
She is right at it 41,971. Let me zoom in. Yeah, that was funny on that show, dude. He's the show he went on. What's the guy's name? Paul
Barron, yeah.
Paul Barron. He's like, I love watching market cipher traders. It was funny. I was like, sorry, because he's a stand-up guy, and I'm a little crazy. That was funny. So he's like, I love watching market cipher traders. Dude, that shit was hilarious. You did a great job on that show. If any folks want to see it, you can go to Paul Barron's YouTube channel. Apparently my brother was talking to the dude a little bit before. I haven't talked to him, but seems like a stand-up guy. And he's like, you said he's new into crypto?
It seems like it. He was doing, I know his studio did like other things. I know they did cooking at some point. They have a kitchen in there too.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. He was talking about doing kind of like what BitBoy does with the piano, except with cooking with crypto.
Oh, that's not. Right. Well, let's make these cookies. Oh, fuck, it's on fire. Oh, my God, I'm losing everything.
Yeah, that's what gets the views. You just got to get creative, just something, something new.
Something different. Yeah, this
Yeah.
chart is hella messy, but yeah, I mean, listen, when we're in a downtrend, like when the waves come up, it just don't got the juice, and when things are pointing down, it does. Let me try to clean this up a little bit, because this is terrible to look at for everyone right now. We got a little monkey tail here. Here's our little path to 100,000 right there. We just got to dump down there and go all the way up to 100,000. Okay, what I want to do is
I mean,
go
I
ahead.
think long term, because like, let me tell you something, man. Like back in 2015, 2014, when I first found out about Bitcoin, I used to have the same like reasoning you had, like where it only has to be worth $1 for it to do its use.
Mm-hmm.
And that's what deterred me from buying it when it was at like $200.
Right.
So, I mean, that was one of the biggest logic fails of my life and thought processes there, decision making. But I mean, I was 18 or 17 at the
Right.
time. So.
Dang. Okay. Well, I'm sorry if I prevented you from buying at $200.
Yeah, well, you didn't, but it was the same. It reminds me of my logic. You know what I mean? That I
Yeah.
had back then. Like, it reminds me of that logic I had.
Yeah, but like how Richard Hart makes a good point when he's like, the quote unquote richest man in the world buys Bitcoin. Like, who else you got? And the truth is I think who is doing the selling is important. BitBoy was hooping and hollering about F2 pool in China a year ago or however long it's been, and then it stopped because they haven't been, to my knowledge, right? And so when dude from F2 says, we haven't even sold 10%, and they haven't really sold since, like, dude, if the price gets inflated, it's harder and harder for everyone to try to buy up that Bitcoin price, and they're going to get fucking wrecked.
Mm-hmm.
And so that's why I think Bitcoin's fucked at 64K, and it's never going to come back up over it again.
I mean,
because in 4 or 5 years, when it's time again, or however long, by that time, I think there's going to be something better, and the people that can dump it are going to dump it, and not give their power to some fucking Americans or whoever else is buying.
Yeah, I mean, the way I see it, the best it could possibly perform, in my opinion, is something like Apple stock from year 2011 to 2021. Which is like what, 5 to 10x, something like that. That's the best I possibly see it performing. I mean, best case possible scenario. You there?
Yep, I'm here.
Yeah, that's the best because too many people know about it. Just the psychology of it. It does give me the vibes of Apple stock. I remember back in 2011 when I was in like 8th grade or whatever, and I used to look at the CNBC headlines and stuff.
Yeah.
It was always talking about Apple stock.
Yeah.
Bitcoin's like replacing that. You know what I mean? So it kind of feels like to me.
Yeah, I'll give you. That's like I think the best argument against 64K Top Forever is yes, it is number one. It's got the brand power, but like I said, so did AOL, Time Warner. I have to bounce, but before I do, the 15. This is Solano. Okay, this is Solano. So the 15-20 minute has Solano's got a little hope here, but we'll see if it ends up having the juice. Let me go to Ethereum and Bitcoin and see if it looks the same. The 20 minute doesn't. It doesn't. It's still going just straight sideways in the fucking red. Not even curving up here. Yeah, man. It's. I think. I mean, we just had a nice little dumpage. Bitcoin's trying to fight back, but my guess is we play in this range and there's more pain to come. Any last words you want to say before we bounce?
Say is guys, keep in mind, people have disagreed with me on this, but it's true. I was right. Every year historically, overall, September is a bad month for Bitcoin and crypto. We're going to recover. I think October could be more positive. That's what I would say.
Okay, fair enough. All right,
Thanks so much, man. I really appreciate it.
no problem, man. Thanks for coming on, and yeah, we'll have to have you on again when we got more time. So all right, brother, I'll talk to you later,
Definitely,
man.
man.
Good
Have a
job
good one.
lately.
Bye.
Peace. Okay. All right, folks. I got to go get ready, and I might be back later. But yeah, I got a really important meeting. It's going to be a couple hours, and I'm guessing I'll be streaming later tonight too. So see you guys later. Peace.